Have you ever wondered why your website isn't getting the traffic it deserves? Or why your competitors always seems to be one step ahead of you? Well, the secret lies, at least in most cases, in a well-crafted link building plan. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create one in just 8 steps. So stick around if you want to give your website the boost it needs and traffic it deserves. Let's get started. Alright, the first step is to do backlink audit. A backlink audit is like a health checkup for your website's backlink profile. Without it, you might miss out on some potential threats like a negative SEO attack or a drop in your rankings and traffic. It's basically a thorough investigation of all the external websites that are linking back to your website. And we are not just talking about the number of backlinks here, but also the quality and how they are linking. So, using a tool like SE Ranking Backlink Checker, you can visualize these metrics on a graph, giving you a quick snapshot of your profile's health and helping you steer your link building strategy in the right direction. Now, here's something that you should probably know. Your backlink profile can either grow, stagnate, or decline over time. A growing profile is like a green signal to Google that your website is active and doing well, which is great for your SEO. Now, I won't lie to you, backlink audits can be a bit complex, especially for beginners. But hey, that's why I'm here, right? And I've got a detailed article and also video on backlink audit, where I dive deeper into how you can do that you can watch right here, right after this video. No, right here and right after this video. Alright, moving on to the step 2 of our link building plan, which is a competitor backlink analysis. Now, imagine playing a chess without watching your opponent's moves. You would probably lose, right? Well, that same goes for SEO. You need to watch your competitors' moves to know what you should do and what you shouldn't do. And competitor backlink analysis is like studying your opponent's chess moves. It's all about understanding where your competitors are getting their backlinks from, the quality of these backlinks, and how their SEO strategy is boosting their search engine rankings. So, to kickstart your competitor backlink analysis, you need to identify your top 10 competitors that are killing it in SEO. These could be fellow service providers listed on directories or associations like G2 or Clutch. The key is to find competitors who are in the same industry and share your SEO goals. And once you've got the list, it's time to dive deeper. Are these competitors really acing the SEO? To find out, you can use tools like SE Ranking Competitive Research Tool. These tools provide a wealth of data on your competitors, from the traffic they are attracting to the number of keywords they are ranking for, and much more. Next, you need to evaluate the strength of their backlink profile. How many total backlinks and referring domains do they have? What's their website authority or domain trust? For example, let's say you are selling ergonomic office chairs and one of your competitors, officecomfort.com, it's ranking well. And when you dive into their backlink profile and find that they have 34,000 backlinks and 2,900 referring domains and a domain trust score of 65. And this information gives you a valuable insights into what it takes to rank well for your specific products or services. Through this detailed competitive analysis, you understand the effort and resources required to compete for the top spot in your niche. If a competitor's website authority is above 60, you can anticipate that reaching that level may take a substantial budget and a couple of years of commitment link building. But remember, the same steep climb awaits to your competitors as well. Once you reach the top, it becomes significantly harder for others to enter the market and outrank you. Alright, moving on to the step 3 of our link building plan, which is a content audit and creation. Now, you might be wondering, what does content have to do with the link building? Well, a lot, actually. A content audit, it's like a deep dive into the existing content on your website. It helps to identify areas for improvement and ensures that your content is worth linking to. And a good link building strategy is not just about linking to your homepage or product pages. In fact, doing that excessively can lead to penalties. So the goal is to have a diverse set of content like blog posts and informational articles, which can earn high quality backlinks and then pass the link juice to your money pages. See where it goes? And alongside the content audit, you also need to conduct a keyword audit and keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords you're already targeting and creating a list of relevant keywords you want to target and build backlinks to. The right keywords coupled with backlinks can boost your visibility on search engines, drive targeted traffic to your website, and most importantly, revenue from SEO. Remember, the importance of content and backlinks in SEO is huge. In fact, Google ranking algorithm considers both to be the primary ranking factors. Hold on. Isn't it buying content and creating content just waste of time? What if I just buy backlinks and pointing straight to my product pages or homepage? Isn't it better and cheaper? Well, not really. Remember, quality content attracts high quality backlinks, and these backlinks in turn improve the visibility and ranking of your content. It's a vicious cycle that underpins successful SEO. Additionally, you cannot just link to your product pages, and that would seem spammy because not many people links to your product pages, not at least that many times as you need to grow your SEO ranking. Therefore, you can create information content that often attracts a lot more backlinks that will help you to propel your ranking. I mean, I get that. A lot more work for me now, but I get it. Hey, and before we move on, I hope you are finding this content valuable. If you are, remember to hit that like button and consider joining my membership. Your support will help me continue to bring you high quality content like this one and even better. Your help means a lot to me, and of course if you can do membership, that is also super thanks, and if you can do even that, I understand, and you can do a like, subscribe and nice comment below. These helps as well. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, that's step number 4 of our link building plan. Now, this is where things get real. Link building isn't just about strategy, it's also about budgeting. But remember, results from a link building campaign usually takes between 6 to 12 months to show, depending on how many backlinks you build and where, and also how was your website active before that. So be prepared for this to be a long-term commitment and see the results not right away. Alright, the first step in creating your link building budget is figuring out how many backlinks you can safely build. As a general rule, aim to increase your total backlinks by 0.5% to 1% weekly, based on your total number of referring domains. Next, you need to estimate the cost per backlink. If you are just starting out, expect to spend around 200 to 400 per backlink for good quality backlinks. And as your strategy evolves, you might need to increase your budget to around 500 to 1000 per backlink for really top quality backlinks. You can also analyze your competitor's backlink profile to estimate how many backlinks you'll need. But remember, your goal isn't to just match your competitor's backlink count. You want to consistently build a high quality backlink at a safe pace and eventually have a significantly more high quality backlinks than your competitors. And lastly, you don't need to match exactly how many backlinks your competitors have. For example, if your competitor has 1 million backlinks and 50,000 referring domains, it doesn't mean you have to build 50,000 referring domains to match them. No, in most cases, 90% of them will be poor quality backlinks, and you need to only build like 1 to 10% of high quality backlinks to get there. As once you start getting more backlinks, you also start getting more backlinks naturally, including those low spammy, low quality backlinks that they just will come. So your goal is not to match those backlinks, but to have better and more high quality backlinks that are genuine and will help you improve ranking. So to summarize it, don't worry about the total number of backlinks your competitors have. Worry only about the high quality backlinks you need to build for your own. And as you track your ranking, you will see if you need more quality backlinks or less, because you will see if you're outranking them or not. Alright, but now let's move on to step 5 of your link building plan, which is selecting link building strategies. Now, link building isn't a one-size-fits-all game. The right strategy depends on various factors like your budget, resources, and overall business goals. So let me share with you a couple of link building strategies that I recommend to everyone and can be really helpful to you. Alright, let's first start with Haro, which is now called Connectively. Connectively is a platform that connects journalists with experts in various fields. This strategy is a free and can be done by yourself. Regularly engaging in queries relevant to your industry could lead to high quality backlinks from really established and high authoritative media sites. Next up, resource link building. One of my favorite. This strategy involves getting your website listed on resource pages of other sites. Then, if you have guest posting, a little bit overplay. Although it can be time consuming, guest posting is an effective way to gain exposure and earn high quality backlinks. The next step could be also link insertion, which is another strategy that you could consider. You can also do link exchange. This tactic involves trading a backlink for a backlink. It's particularly useful when paired with guest posting. And the last one that I want to recommend you is podcast link building. Basically, you will be attending podcast and then getting a link from the show notes to your website. These can be very powerful as well. And if your budget allows, investing in press release SEO is another viable strategy. Although more expensive, press release backlinks have high authority and can significantly boost your SEO. Lastly, you can also consider getting some of the link building agencies to help you. I have a dedicated video showing you which one I trust and personally use to grow my website. Alright, moving on onto the step number 6 of our link building plan, which is prospecting and research. However, prospecting and research methods vary depending on the chosen strategy. For instance, sourcing guest posting opportunities is quite different from finding resource link building target. However, one essential element that remains consistent across all strategies is finding contact information to reach out to your link building prospects. And this is where tools like Tomba or Hunter come into play. They allow you to search for email addresses linked to specific domains, giving you a direct line to your potential partners. Hold on, I've got a question. Isn't it just too much work? How about I, text them on social media, LinkedIn or Twitter? Oh, now it's X. Just hey, link me, link you. Sounds good? Well, you can actually, but remember, email outreach is often more professional and effective than social media outreach, especially for link building. Remember to be professional and considerate when reaching out. Contact only those who are in roles relevant to your request, such as marketing or decision makers roles. You are not in the business of spamming others, okay? You are a professional who seeks mutually beneficial partnership on both sides. And in addition to this, you can also leverage SEO tools like SE ranking to find potential link building prospects. By analyzing your website with SE ranking competitive research tool, you'll find numerous potential link building prospects by looking at your competitors. Alright, let's move on to the step number 7 of our link building plan, which is an outreach process and personalization. Now, blogger outreach is a delicate dance that requires tact, strategy, and above all, kind of personalization. It's the art of crafting an engaging, valuable adding message that convinces prospect to consider you. The type of message and level of personalization depends on your link building strategy. But despite the variations in outreach strategies, some universal principles can greatly improve your success rate. First, segment your prospects into manageable groups based on shared characteristics. This allows you to tailor your approach while reaching out to a larger number of prospects. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Writersonic, Jasper, and others with prospect segmentation and to draft personalized outreach emails. Remember to keep your outreach emails concise. My personal target is to keep the message below 150 words, ideally around 100 to 90. Also, don't forget to follow up. Prospects are often busy, and a follow-up or 2 or even sometimes 3 might be required to get their attention. And finally, always offer something of value in return. Think from your prospect's perspective. What's in it for them? Your offer should be compelling enough to motivate them to take action. Just imagine if it's like, hey, give me backlink, everything for me, nothing for you. It doesn't make sense for them. They are already busy and you're giving them a task on their already busy to-do list. So motivate them to put it there themselves. And the final step of our link building plan is adjusting your strategy. Now, the beauty of an effective link building plan lies in its adaptability. It's not a rigid protocol, but rather an evolving approach that requires regular tweaking and fine-tuning. Remember, you are learning and you will make mistakes, which is fine. And also when I do link building, I make the mistakes. I see the response, I see how it works, and then I just adjust. If things don't pan out as planned, it's time to reconsider your actions. Are you getting too many negative responses? Maybe it's time to revisit your outreach messages. Not getting enough responses? Perhaps your offer lacks value, or you are targeting prospects with a higher website authority than ideal. Remember, link building is a process, and like any process, it involves a learning curve. And not everything will sail smoothly from the get-go, but with consistent adjustments and learnings from past interactions, you'll be able to tailor a strategy that delivers optimal results for your industry and for your website. And that's all from me. We have covered the 8 steps to create a successful link building plan. If you want to get more detailed information, visit my website where I got a lot more information, obviously. I hope you found this information valuable and you are ready to take your website to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider joining my membership to support the channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching, keep going, keep growing, keep link building, and until next time, see ya. Ciao.